Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your guy Nerdy G, and we are talking 11 Labs today. And basically, we are going over sound effects. So listen, be sure to like, subscribe, share, and if you're thinking about getting 11 Labs and you get it off of this video, listen, there's a link down in the description. Please click on that link. That'll help the channel out a great deal, and help me keep creating content like this. Get in the comments, let me know if this is something that you want. All right, guys. If you've been keeping up with what I've been doing with these 11 lab videos or whatnot, I've been going through and I've been showing you how to work through the playground, text to speech, the voice changer. We've already done voice changer, and the dubbing is in the same video. But also too, now we're coming to sound effects, the playground, the sound effects. This thing here, and when I tell you this thing, and when I say this thing, I'm talking about the sound effects. 11 Labs is very user friendly. It's easy. Don't really have to do too much guessing. I don't think that you have to do a lot of, I don't think you have to do guessing, period. Okay. So basically, if you want to hear something, right, when it comes to the sound effects, right, look, as I said, you click on this, a car whizzing by, right, and we're going to tell it, generate this. Oh, see, I've done one before, a turtle yawning. Don't ask why. So it's generating right now. It's going to be a car whizzing by. So if that's something that you want to hear, there you go. Okay. So here we go. We got a couple different samples, which I love that they give you four samples of something to think about, right? And here we go. It's 8 seconds. So if you're using your video editor and you don't have the sounds or whatnot, you come in here and hey, make your own sounds. Okay. So that's that, right? Easy peasy, right? So they gave you some ideas. So that was a car whizzing by. So let's do something different. Let's go something. Let's see something. Let's do something kind of crazy. I wanna. Let's do a. Let's do a bat crying. I don't know what that sounds like, and I don't want it to be 8 seconds. I want the duration to be about. Let's give me four. Let's go half of that, right? I don't know what a bat sounds like crying, but let's generate that and see what we get. This is a bat that's crying. I already did a turtle yawning, and you can kind of create anything that you want to in here. And it's going to give you these four samples, which I love the fact that they give you four samples because who doesn't love options? Okay, that's different. That is different. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you. That is different. Okay, so let's just say let's try something else, right? Let's just floorboards. We go floorboards. BORD. Thank you for auto correction. Floorboards creaking, and let's go. These are running about what 160, about 160 on the credit meter. Not worried about that at all. Okay, okay, I can dig that one. All right, let's give it. give it something harder. Let's do a car crashing into a store. I know. Because hey, you can anything that you can think of, anything that you can dream of, you can do it right here, right? So let's just say, and this will be my last one on this one. So let's see. You can say four options. Hmm, okay, sample two, I like better. Two and four are my best ones on that one. I like those two. So the two and four, the fact of two, you can always come back and you can always download those just so that you guys can hear. So yeah, that sounds like a grown person, a grown human being, not a turtle, but that's what I did. So I was just something I was just trying out. But you guys kind of get the drift. Whatever you think of, that's that, right? Let's just say you don't necessarily have the thought like, oh, I don't know, like, right? Okay, they have all of these over here, right? But check this out. How about we just come and explore? We got animals, we got bass, we got booms, we got Brahmas, whatever that is. We got brass, we got symbols, we got devices, right? And then all of those are here, right there, and it lets you know. So, what do? You want to listen to this? Click on it. Yeah. So, like on my streaming, when I stream or whatnot, I use some of these sounds. So when I'm streaming for the game, Nerdy's gaming or whatever, right? You come in here and I know like you create your own soundboard, but you can download these, use these sounds in those things. So if you have a stream deck or whatnot, you'll be able to use these in your stream deck, right? Um, if, if you want to see a video on me doing that, get in the comments and I'll show you how to take these sounds, add them to your stream deck, and then that way, when you're engaging or when you're gaming or whatever, you want to add those sounds quick, easy, right there. Push a click of a button, and these sounds will show up in your live stream, and you don't have to worry about getting copyrighted or anything like that. But for the sound effects, not really much to it. Easy peasy. Download it. If you want to explore things that are already there, it's there. If you want to just, hey, let me focus strictly on animals, I don't need trending. We can go most downloaded it. Don't, okay. I guess that category, clear all the filters. Guess that didn't work. Let's try this again. Let's go to base. There we go. So we got base. Oh, that's kind of awesome. Okay, that's base. Okay, so maybe the animal category is not up. Why? I'm gonna try it one more time. Nope. Clear filters. Okay. Trending. Most recent. Nope. Nothing on the animals. Okay. It's there though, guys. Let's go devices. Nothing on the devices. We'll come back over here. Maybe I shouldn't try that. Horror. Trending. Most downloaded. Oh, that's kind of what you call it. It is kind of, it's kind of, hey. I like that. So easy. Once again, basketball. All they got dribbling. Sports. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. So if I wanted to use that one that's already created, I click the download, right? Boom. I downloaded it. I got it. Did it take some of my credits? I don't think so. So if I click on use, I got 144 right now. Let's see. Ah, it'll create 160 for me, but I don't need that because I'm gonna just download what's already here, so I don't need to recreate the wheel. Right? You can if you want to. Um, totally up to you. And then there's a third option here. I do not have this with my plan, and it'll click and it'll bring you here. This is for the soundboard, and this is a soundboard that you can have right here. As you see, it says log in, get started, custom creator, click the pad, and boom. If you don't have a big setup or anything, if you don't have a big setup or a Rodecaster Pro or something like that, or you don't have a soundboard, this right here, uh, the way I'm looking at it is right here on your computer. This is probably going to be fire, just hands down. This is going to be something a little game changer because, like it says, AI infinite sampler. So tons of things that you want to. So you can add rows. And then start them off by clicking it again. Right. Loop it, stop it. Right. You can switch over to drums. You can switch over to movies, animals, however you want to set this up. I think that's going to be awesome. Um, I do have a sound pad, but if I were to use this, this would be an option. This would be, if I didn't have those other things that I already have, this would be a viable option. So this is something that you can get extra to with it. But right now, let me go back. It's crazy every time I do that. But this is the sound effects. This is how you do that. Like I say, easy to use, easy to generate. If you want to, if you want to take some, if you want to take some inspiration from what they already have in their library, or if you just want to download the sounds that they already have, go for it. This is a changer. So, and then it has it already categorized for you guys: guitar, horror, household, impacts, industrial, keys, miscellaneous, ocean, office, and the list goes on. As you can see, vehicles, whooshes, woodwinds. Oh my God. Okay, so kind of curious about the office. So, oh man, wait a minute. Don't know what that was. It's supposed to be quarters in the arcade machine. All right, that's a little different, but not gonna hold you guys any longer. Listen, be sure to like, subscribe, share to this video. You want me to keep creating content like this? I surely will. If you decide to get 11 Labs, listen, my link is down in the description. Please click on that description. It does help the channel out a lot, and it will help me continue to put more videos out just like this and giving you these how-to step-by-step on how I do these things or how you can do these things and level up your workflow. Until next time, I'm your guy, Nerdy G, and I'm out.